Hey guys, after last week's pumpkin carving activity, I felt like we needed to review plotting points on the coordinate plane a little bit more. So here's our coordinate plane. We have our x-axis here and our y-axis here, and we can plot points on the coordinate plane using a function table set up like this. So for example, let's say we had the point 4, 1 that we wanted to plot on the plane, and this can also be written in parentheses like this, 4, 1. Okay, our x value is positive 4, so we're going to start here at the origin. This is at 0, 0, and we're going to go to the right 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, because our x value is positive 4, and then our y value is 1, and it's positive 1, so we're going to go up 1, and that is this point right here, 4, 1. So these numbers in our x and y columns on the chart tell us where to plot the point on the graph. Okay, let's do another one. Let's try -6, 4. Okay, so that'd be -6, 4. Our x value is -6. So we're going to start here at the middle at 0, and since our x value is negative, we're going to go to the left 6 spaces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our y value is positive 4, so we're going to go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me put a dot there. This is -6, 4. What I want to do next is I want to put a dot on the graph and see if we can figure out what the point would look like. Let's put it down here. So this blue dot right here, we want to figure out what numbers would go in the chart that would describe that dot, or what kind of numbers could we put in these parentheses to describe that dot. Well, first up is our x value. So if we start here at the origin, it looks like we don't go left or right to get to this blue dot. So that means we stay at 0 in the middle. So our x value is going to be 0. 0 here. And then to get to this blue dot on the y-axis, it looks like we go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we go down 5, so -5. So -5. So that would be, this point would be 0, -5. So hopefully that was enough of a refresher on plotting points on the coordinate plane. For today's activity, we're going to do some target practice. So this is a Desmos activity, and what we have here is a target. And we have to get this black point here right in the middle of the target by changing the numbers in the function table over here. So we're trying to get the black point somewhere in this red bullseye here. So it looks like on the x-axis we want to go over to maybe a little past 2. Like maybe let's try 2.2 for our x. I say 2.2 because it looks like it goes a little past the 2 to be in the middle here. Well, look, it moved our black dot over to 2.2. But now we want to be all the way up here in the red, so it looks like maybe we should be at 6 on the y-axis. So I'm going to change the y value to 6. Look, now our black dot is right in the bullseye. So there are more screens like this where you do target practice with this activity. Try them. If you run into any trouble, please send me an email. I'm here to help you. And good luck with your target practice.